We've been using straw for the past few years to mulch our garden, and it's been working great for us. We've had amazing results by using these straw. But this year, we're a bit disappointed because we've been facing a few difficulties and issues using this straw. So we're removing all the straw from our garden. So in today's video, we will share with you the disadvantages of using straw to mulch your soil. There are two issues we are facing using straw this year. The first issue, our garden has been invaded by pigeons. So many pigeons come to our garden and pick on the straw looking for food, and on their way they are damaging the plants, and they are also making a huge mess, flicking the soil all over the place. The second issue we're facing, so many wheat plants are starting to sprout and pop up from where we have mulched the soil with straw. This is because the straw that we are using comes from wheat plants, and I think there are seeds inside of this straw packet. Normally you get a few seeds in the packet, but I think this packet over here has lots of seeds, and this is what's causing the issue. And that's why the pigeons are attracted to the straw. They're looking for food because the seeds are part of the diet. And I can see over here a few wheat plants starting to sprout from the soil, and you don't want them to get too big, otherwise they're going to take over. There's two plants over here, and there's a few over here. There's so many around this. These are the wheat seedlings I was talking about before, and as you can see, they are starting to spread around the soil. There's so many of these tiny wheat seedlings. So I need to remove these fast before they start taking all the nutrients out from the soil. This is a wheat plant I have removed earlier, and as you can see the seed on it. This is what has been attracting all the pigeons. But I'm not so worried about the plants because I could just remove them. But the main issue is the pigeons, because I cannot control the pigeons. They're just going to keep being a nuisance and coming to our garden and looking for these seeds. And they're causing such a big mess in the garden, splattering all the soil everywhere. So this is not the big issue, the pigeons is the big issue. We bought this straw from our pet store, which is normally used for bedding for pets. But you can buy horticultural straw, which you can order online. So next year we're going to use straw again, but we're going to use the correct straw, horticultural straw, which should have less seeds. But I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to leave this to rot. Hopefully the seeds sprout and they start to rot off. And hopefully by next year I'll be able to use this. That is so nice and sweet. That tastes amazing. I wish I had more of these strawberries. They taste absolutely amazing. They're so nice and sweet and juicy. Hopefully we get lots of more strawberries to harvest. These are so nice and tasty. These ones are not quite ripe yet, but hopefully in another week or so they'll be fully ripe and ready to harvest. Let's give you a quick update on our other plants. Our tomato plants, they are doing amazing. They are starting to produce tomatoes, and I am really excited to start harvesting from these plants. I can't wait. Our cucumber plants, they are producing heavily. We've been harvesting lots of cucumbers from these plants for the last few weeks, and I am really happy about that. I am really happy. This aubergine plant is looking very nice and beautiful. The leaves look very healthy and it has grown so fast. And I can see the plant is starting to produce flowers. Hopefully on our next video we will show you how to take care of your aubergine plants to get plenty of aubergines. This plant is looking amazing. Looking around my greenhouse is looking beautiful. All the plants are thriving amazingly. We are growing beetroot over here, and I can see they are starting to get ready to harvest. I am really excited. Cucumbers, they're doing amazing. We got quite a few to harvest. I'm going to harvest one over here. See, look at this beautiful cucumber. Doesn't that look amazing? Looks so nice and delicious. Let me try this. This cucumber is delicious, nice and refreshing in this heat. This is amazing. We got quite a few to harvest, but I'm gonna leave my dad to harvest the rest. And our chili plants are doing amazing. They're also starting to flower. Look. Soon we're going to have beautiful chilies from this plant. Nice hot chilies from this plant over here. I must say most of our plants are doing very well. I'm also very pleased with our strawberry plants. They're starting to produce lots of strawberries and delicious strawberries. I can't wait to start harvesting them. Our hodl plant has grown vigorously in the last few days because of the rainwater. It has reached the trellis and I am really excited to harvest a huge lao from this plant. Because of the rainwater, the plant was able to thrive and grow very quickly, so I'm very pleased about that. The plant is looking amazing. Nice green big leaves. These are our potato plants we are growing in these grow bags, and I must say they have grown very fast. Look how bushy the plant has grown. I can see it's starting to flower. Look, doesn't that look amazing? Not long till we harvest potatoes from these bags. I can't wait. We're going to harvest so many potatoes from these 2 bags over here. I can just tell. We don't need to buy mint from the shops. We got so much over here. They smell so nice and fresh. You can make delicious drinks and things from these mints. They're so amazing. We don't have to buy any from the shops. We got so much in our garden. They smell so amazing. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like the video. And please don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.